Today, guys, we are making chicken tacos. First, the cheese. And here's the chicken right now. My mom is mixing it up. Now we're putting it on the quesadilla with the cheese. I'm having 2 chicken tacos of extra cheese because cheese is the best part. And I'm going to put some sauce on mine. And now you have to make it to look like a taco right now. It is really thick right now. I love tacos, guys. They're so good. Can't wait for it. Guys, I'm gonna try the chicken. That's good. You hear that sizzling, guys? Let's test it out.
10 out of 10?
That's good.